Your full name?
My full name is Abu Bakr Siddiq.
Where are you from?
I am from Shirazganj.
Well, are you married?
Yes, sir. I am a married person.
How many kids do you have?
I have two lovely sons.
And how many wives do you have?
I have only one lovely wife.
Do you have any plan to marry again?
I don't have plan
To marry again?
No, I don't have plan like this.
You don't have plan?
No, I don't have plan.
Okay. You are Borlux, right?
No.
Okay. Do you think only money can bring happiness?
I don't think so. Money can give comfort and accommodation. Only my what I need. That's only money can give. But happiness give trust, love, and a trusted person will give happiness. But not only money give happiness.
Okay. So what's your future plan?
My future plan is I'll be a quality inspector. Before I didn't confident, now I am confident. I will be success, inshallah. Yes, I will be successful.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one younger brothers and I have three sisters. Uh, my sister was already married. My brother also married. My brother worked in abroad.
Okay. So what's your favorite color?
Basically, my favorite color is black. When I wear black colors, clothes, at that time I feel calm and relaxed. Also, black color clothes suit me. That's why I like very much black color.
And what's your favorite food?
Basically, my favorite food is biryani. Also, my favorite fast food is burger, pizza. Burger is very delicious. Pizza also very delicious.
Okay. Do you go to restaurant for having something every day?
No, I go restaurant sometime when I free. That time I go restaurant with my family. Sometime I go with my favorite friends.
Okay. When did you go to restaurant last?
I went last time 2 weeks ago with my friends.
Okay. What's the name of your favorite restaurant? Okay. Do you like homemade food or outside?
Actually, I always like homemade food. My mother cooks very delicious food always. My wife also she cook delicious food. That's why I always prefer homemade food. Sometimes I also take outside food, restaurant, and street food also.
So you love having street food much.
No, I
Is
don't
it-
like much, but
is it healthy?
sometimes
Is it-
I try to new food in state.
Okay. Is it healthy or not?
No, actually, street food is unhygienic. I don't like much, but I like sometimes I take street food with my friends.
Friends circle. Did you have any girlfriend before marrying?
It's a difficult question, sir. So now I'm a married person. It's not possible to explain.
That's not possible to explain. Okay. That's why you're not interested to share, right?
If I don't know. It's a difficult question, sir. It's not possible to share.
Do you love riding bike?
Yes, sir. I love riding bike because I'm also 8 to 10 years experience.